Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Happy Feet's Learning and Story Time. Today, we have a story and vocabulary lesson. Yeah! Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Today, we're going to read The Animal Band. I wish I was in a band. So, the flute is good for the raccoon. Hey, very nice. The horn is good for the rabbit. Wow, she's good. The bell is good for the fox. That's my sister. Ding, 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 ding. Yay, she's been practicing. The harp is good for the cow. Wow, that looks very hard to play. The drums are good for the hedgehog. He's a rock star. Wow. And the piano is good for the bear. I agree because it's so big. So, who plays a good tune? I think they all do. Wow, you guys had 29 words today. That's amazing. So, thank you very much for your time. And remember, if you want to see more videos, please click the subscribe button so you can be up to date with the newest videos every day. Thank you for your time.